grabbed yesterday. It's my new air conditioning. I've been wanting this for a long time, and I've been out since mid-March. Our company is work from home, and I'm very fortunate that I have all this time to work in the shop, but it's been hot. I mean, I've been working on my project, and I want to do some body work on it and everything, but I'm just sweating all over the place. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. It's a 2-ton unit, 24,000 BTU. It was delivered undamaged. I think it was $989, but I'll give it a shot. We'll see how long it lasts. On the outside, the unit is going to be mounted against the wall, on the wall. I'll show you in a second. And I plan to put the unit about, I want to say 4 foot, well, the bottom of the unit will be about, 2 foot above ground. So, yeah. Oh, I'm excited. I'm not looking for freezing temperatures. I just want the humidity to drop down a little bit. So, all right. So, this is my panel board where I'm going to tap into the 220 for my mini split. And I ran PVC. I tried running a snake in this thing, but I was fighting. I have 390s in here. So plan to do, or have done, was I used one of these old magnet I pulled out of an old hard drive. Super strong. A piece of string with a nut on it, and I just hooked it all the way around as such. And believe it or not, I got it on the first try. It's amazing. I didn't think I would get it. So I pulled, with the string, I replaced it with, regular fish tape. So, yeah, here, we'll show you the run. Goes up, a 90, another 90, goes across, over above the boxes, and comes down. And this is like a general area where I'm going to place an LB to go through the wall. It may be up here, it may be down there, but all depends on the condenser placement outside. And we'll see what happens when that. So now I have my plate positioned, my hose drilled. During the winter time, me and my son insulate the place, and we put 3-inch foam insulation I bought on Craigslist, and you can see it kind of right here. Yeah, so the walls and the ceilings above me, 3-inch insulation. So hopefully this 24,000 BTU air conditioner will keep this place a little bit cooler and a little bit warmer in the wintertime. So I'm going to install the sleeve and mount the air handler. See how it turns out. There's the air handler installed. Yes. And we'll go on the outside. I'm closing up shop here. Here's the outside connection, or the punch through. I'm waiting for my line set cover. So yeah. Okay, so for me to mount the unit on the wall, the mini split, I made up some brackets out of aluminum that I had, and these will go up on the siding. And the reason for the brackets is that the mounting kit only spans 16 inches, and or from here to here, 16 inches, and the studding, or the studs on the metal building are 24 parts. So you'll see it once it's hung. But just about done with the wiring. This goes up to the you know safety switch outside, and here it goes inside, with the LB, and I'll be using a 20 amp breaker for this. We'll see how that works out. And outside, the brackets are mounted. Here you can see I packed this out a little bit. I probably didn't have to do that. No, I did have to do it because we have studs here and we have a stud all the way down here, nothing here. So that's why I wanted it longer. But looks pretty good. There's the safety switch and the plumbing coming out of the wall. I'm still waiting on the line set cover. Got kind of a delay on that, but we'll see what happens. Next up, we'll put the compressor on the stands. Wait for my son to get over here and we'll pop that up there. That's it for now. All right, I finally got the line set installed, so I'm ready to do a vacuum on it. You see? Okay, so here we are. This is where I'm at right now. I have the line set all trimmed up, taped up. It's a short run. Wired in. These are your signal wires. This is the load. I'm using 10 gauge. I could have gotten away with 12 gauge wire, but I had the 10 gauge laying around, so I might as well use it. And that's wired in. My safety switch is wired in. So yeah, I'm ready to put the line set cover in. And we're good to go. There we go. Not bad. It went pretty easy. I was surprised. My biggest problem was waiting for parts and stuff like that. All right, here we are. We're pulling the vacuum. I've already pulled it for about 30 minutes, so we're gonna close the valve and let it sit for a while. And there's the gauge, fully closed, and we'll let it sit for about half an hour and see if I have any leaks. Keeping my fingers crossed. Okay, so we got the air conditioner up and running, and right now I'm 67. I just want to make sure I get a good current draw on this. It's warm today. I believe outside it's like 89, but I have my old analog amp probe, and we'll put it on here, and there you go. It's drawn, I want to say about 11 amps right now. And I guess that's with the compressor going, so that's okay. I like that. I can already feel the difference in here. It's been running for about 15-20 minutes, and there's an improvement. So, and that's my you know, eBay, INNOVAIR, mini split install. One of the very few non-Mr. Cool installs, huh? I'm gonna button up things and call it quits. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Stay safe.